what they mad. I'm just telling you the facts. You dey tell am say he go for don't go now. He go for don't go. Now because he not get money to go rent hotel. Because why? He get enemy with his friend. People call the reason and say so you fail make am get enemy with people. In case if you get problem, nobody of you put door for a enter. That is what you are trying to say. He get money. He get money to rent hotel. Not because no. If na my husband, you just if you wear clothes go come on, you can never see him again. Never. I don't know, maybe. But for my husband, my husband not they talk. But what they mad. I'm just telling you. I'm just telling you, you know home is perfect. Now my husband, you marry, you tell her that kind of word. You don't carry back home, you don't go even know. Maybe you are tamuwa. Because you know say you don't get. That is the reason why you overreact. Because you don't get where you go. You can't overreact, overdo. We will be women, we will be devil, If we get any weapon against man, we will use and finish that person. We be devil. Manekona soon. No carry man. We can destroy man or die a 10 minutes. Because you know where you don't get money in that time. Because you know say if you get, it don't move. You know. But you are in the quarrel, you use that word against them. Then if you what you expect, make you come the feel. Whether I not say the thing we do not good, but it's too much. It's too much. You overreact. I need you, my sister. You overreact. Me, I don't fit take am on you not sleep with the woman, but at least you know what your husband represent on social media. That is what I'm trying to say. You know who your husband is. You want your brigade. You even bring him down. Before I know they come and say, you know what they do foundation again. Oh, you know, umuye gboto gbene. Area my sister. Even me and my husband go the quarrel like this. I dey tell her face to face. I say, "Call if I don't come up for this house arrest, I no go marry you." I dey tell her I dey tell her say I go come on leave her. I never get document that time but what he promised me where I never marry her. He said he go do everything before he go allow me go. Yes, he won't put me under, like I go to think about him. He said no problem. My husband not get problem, not the talk. He go say no problem. He go say all the promise may I promise you, may I do all of the first. If I don't do all of the finish, if you go, no problem. If you not come marry me, no problem. That is it. He word don't finish there. Now wait, I can't get document now. Fear will let me say I want to leave this camera where they earn better money. I can't leave her. I don't where I don't suffer finish. Tell me I want to enjoy. I can't say I don't want to get. So me another woman call you enter easily. I can't do that shit, man. I know if you do one. Mama Nora, you too overreact. You overreact, I no go lie you. I was so happy. 4 months ni ata ogbagberane. At the end of the day, I don't know why they follow Bime very yo. When we follow Bime, yes, it's good. It not be say because no woman will bear that kind of thing. But you want to do what you una ladia. Uti ogune, sumo boy, all this thing, ma ye say well, una ye guna ya be with the, but no na. All these people where they saga you now, the other thing say na the juju where they go swear, the other one say na the saga where you juju, the cause that I can't walk. You know the mother de oh ni ye. Umade de oh ni ye. Now, if you not settle tomorrow now, how you want to repair all your word when you don't talk? How you want to repair? How you want to you know say them won't change that. If not the time when me and you take the quarter that time now, I fear with you ne. Your mozo message to a we your mama Kevin they cry every day and night for his house. Ese gene go father well gene rawo almost on not come analyze your video. Mama Kevin where they dread your marriage. Mama Kevin where they try say si ma bege no bi. No mama Kevin no where ma be settle. Na if they give almost money me take go dey see woman. You be doing analyze the video. A marriage no one masse. A marriage if the way mama Nora they do, mama Kevin do like that, Mama Kevin no fit bodouan. All this way mama Nora they do so. Mama Kevin no go bodouan. You know what? They begging me also or every time. Kiani, ye Kevin no basi that's one ye not here, damenuwa, ramenuwa, this and this. Because if no say no man go marry, no man go they no any man will want to shoot that man now beat them go they canoe free of charge. Mama Kevin go call me, go say make a see where your godfather for the do live video. In not their ass. Now once I tell they know say no they around. You go say see the background, what was it? If I lie, I not better. If I lie, make I not better. I was so happy. But what do? I know say we no get it wrong. Where you know what your husband represent. Who be mohere? Who where? Who mohere? Who follow? Who what follow Bob Yanufo? You bless every year. You take the gather the tea. Wawala do. Who met him a good bear? Who met it here bonnet? Who met it ya konya nyaga? Be live video. Monsieur talk. If you don't do something with a woman finish all the doesn't call for you nor a mark call for who will one week but be. Many happen when the baby happy, yeah. When I want to fall in my yabo, area way. I will move, even my when my husband they talk and say, if now I say this has doctor answer that it is true. I can never be pretend. Yeah, go one now. Yeah, oh, dead back at the my husband they even they talk and say, I know you see the dance. He say yes. He get mad. All this thing they happen. He see the dance. Or if he not go see sleep. You know that overreact be. Overreact. You dey tell no get say because he not get where he want go. Not tell man that kind thing oh. Man where like where they walk. Don't bother. If you don't get the walk, not bother tell her that kind thing oh. Or say because say you know say he not get where they go because you get a weapon. You use the weapon against him. fear women. Enoge. Wo hazon ni general, be general hazon women, I understand. Now that one me be the calling for. In not the general live video. When you know, I want to ask question. Oh, tell me down. It talk bad thing. That is abomination thing. When you know the way not those zone. Or because when on my live video. On my live video. Or how those zone. You need to clear that part. Me, I don't understand that part. We want know. Okay, we don't hear Tiabono here where. Or how those zone here. Or when you were there getting there, no, ya serious boni. Uno ya tie. Uno ove ya serious. Then also ye was on there being also no. I want no. I want me to clear that. I don't understand that part. Now that part I want to understand. Again, we take it where ya temeni or many years ago or berame. With me, I never see where my manora or ya temia wa no one of those. Don't tell me yagbo, they no soba. They fell here to block you since I don't see you. Wait, my fair block her first. My fair block this idiot. No, I don't never block her. I want come for what do I call her Ododo wife. May they send my message, give her. I will come for that one. Topic it buboto. Not those one. You know, Geko. They know say you who water where you beg him, you know, if you like, you don't see what you like for supermarket. You want me buy am for you. Who water on the day Nigeria join the banner, yeah, working. And work on when I go they hungry you. Or no one of those. Go ya chitty. Go one of those. I don't understand which kind of pressure be that one. Which kind of oppression be that one? Not those for as in, or is not the way how you want it so daughter? And no get la well now carry your family enter us. If you want come out, you want come out. Who you want leave your family for? Who you want leave your children for? What we general what go here? General be where now? We come out now. We don't we take her not do tie. Not do tie. The family well go and make peace with your own. You have to beg that woman. Not they saw people where they talk say anybody where say go beg your woman. No. Me 100 times you 100 times you go beg her because nobody go take that shit. You want gospel? You want leave your beautiful family, the children not there here again. Who you want leave your children for? Who they see here, where you know say na single mother. You know you can never see single girl where you say no get pikin. You go carry one put for us now. You say you not go take care of that girl where you did knock. You not go take care of your pikin. And where you the power where you take care of single mother another person's children. Why you know why you use the strength to take care of your own children? Why you not use that strength take care of your own children? Oh, you just said the woman where you go meet, he go better pass my man, alright. He guy they play. He guy they play. If it is say you go see woman where you go be single, we say not get pikin, they play. Why ko You want come out. Warrior, I beg you. You don't know if you come out, the saga will worst. Where the saga near worst berama. You don't know say the saga will worst. Not go settle your own. Call ye.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma.
No, wetin I be wan just tell you now. When you dey talk, say where I no go say make Mama Laura, Nora go do cleansing. Me, wetin me I believe why is make e do am? Na because Mama Nora carry eggs come out, come dey swear for your husband for midnight.
Yeah.
Ha! I say that is not good o.
Yeah.
Na risk. Ask your own person for Benin.
Yes, na that bad. I know na that bad tite dey waka, na that good tite dey waka, but you no know
Na
the
that one dey no get make e come do cleansing for, not be any other thing. No get fuck up, no get fuck up. But Mama Nora come dey too overreact.
Oh, you overreact.
E no get fuck up. E no get fuck up. Everybody know. Nobody, which man go tell you say e no dey flirt? And this girl, e no get no see am face to face. So this thing not supposed to come reach like this. Mama Laura too dey take this thing far.
You take am
And
far.
the truth be that because now she be dey right o. Now she dey right for everything wey just happen since. But the way she can't do am now, she can't dey wrong.
Yeah.
She can't dey wrong. I say make we talk true.
Yes, now what you talk? I not support both of them. I not support them.
No, because the way you dey talk before the beginning, where me I start to dey watch you, when you dey say Enoge say e dey bias, make you not do like that. Wetin you say make Mama Nora come do?
Yes, I want to know wetin you want do cleansing for. When they talk about abomination, I want to know if you
this one wey Mama Nora do pass abomination for Benin. E pass abomination. I say that the truth. You be Benin now. E pass abomination o. Man wey put money for your head with 4 children, wey dey swear for am for midnight with egg. Wetin he do? You see the girl? Okay, fine. Only friend I'm with Baba.
Ẹ say out to why you know ya table no girl.
Na him start am. No, wetin me I see single mother don dey hungry Mama Nora. So make she go. Make she go join them now. Na that one she want.
No, if we support
because
if we support the no go their house not go settle, more not do like that. I know what they do.
I say, may we tell the truth. No, may we tell the truth. If everything
that means no.
I don't support a no get do wrong. A no get do wrong. What do you talk? Everybody they beat a no get left and right. They beat her left and right for how many days? She's supposed to see breast now.
Yes, now that one.
Everybody join you.
Yes, but
everybody join you. They insult her. They insult her that you beat her inside house. Do anything you want to inside house. Not be social media. When you know say this boy get enemy full everywhere.
I know that one. We overdo that one. But if we say we could do it the way we want to, oh boy, the marriage you go your finish. More you know you do like that.
You know go finish. Come and say that the truth. If we begin to Mama Laura like this, tomorrow she go see repeat and not be the first time because she didn't take care. They swear for people children. So now you don't go see person when she swear for that for your own house. You walk on the swear the head for. Okay, tomorrow night, no get go call now. Call set we go open leg for her. You go come see enter you. Who did because one go miss when you get children for her? No. Who call the sped?
If they support a no go they do worst. You never observe it. You know they observe it. I know a no gay. If you support that guy, you go they do worst. You go they oppress this woman. See what they do for life. They see they no. I know. See what Mama Nora. But if we do it like this are not get work for
us. You know, say if Mama Nora, no get my you yourself no get. If Mama Nora they carry this thing they long go.
Now because you not be presenter. No, na comment at the thought because you not be presenter. If you be presenter, you will understand where they go. Mama talk. Not be you at the top.
No, I don't talk the one when I want to talk.
Yeah, no problem.
I don't talk the one when I want to talk. Make Mama Nora take her easy. Now just that one I want to talk.
Oh, okay.
When she take her easy, she don't go too far.
You don't go
okay,
far.
How you want make your mama be? How you want make your mama take her? Make your mama see picture when you tell they swear for your pikin, you call they clap for you or your own mama. You they swear for your own husband? No. Or your own mama or your own sister husband? No. I don't get fuck up. It too fuck up. Everybody know. As everybody don't beat and reach. Many people say if you see person when they talk for you, you don't fit talk again. If na me be Mama Nora, since everybody don dey beat no get left and right, me I go beat her inside house. I go dey beat her inside house. Okay, now the useless girl now go dey happy. Eh? Just this kakaseta when one making calls, now they do. No. Beg, I say make I dey watch. Bye bye later.
All right now. Yes, I see comment say, Madam, you never swear insult your husband. Yes, me don't insult my husband. Yeah, see, yeah, I go dey shake him. But not on social media. Which day me and my husband settled for here? 3 days ago, yeah. 3 days ago, yeah, now me and my husband settled here. We get bass for inside us, although not be woman issue. You understand? Now money issue na every matter. You understand me so? But now 3 days ago, it take almost about 5 days. I know they greet am, everybody they throw away egg. Now 3 days here, now me I ain't settle. They will not ban it. They will not ban. You think I dey fear Mama Nora, or you think I dey fear I no gay? You were the thought say I get 2 face. No, if no man, if I want to redo my saga, not be like this. Agbera rane. You understand? Agbera rane. It doesn't mean say if you want to talk to person, you must use insult on that person. You understand me so? Agbera not be too fair. Just that if I say make I talk on the way take dey my body, the way take dey. The way I take the you go be like say I see the verse for the family. Yes, I dey put fire more because we no get see no gay or no what the no gay. Who will take be more you wani? Who will take be wa more? We take be mu you wani? I dey see Mama Nora at the top for life, they no get the talk. Mama Nora oh see that see voice don't see not be like before again. Okay, maybe go put her. Need the zere yo, need the ze magi yo, need the tell Mama Nora. If na me be no gay, I no go gree oh sagwami down. You go use my dear, you no be presenter. I can't do that. Kinaya the be azere yo. I don't see Mama Nora say his voice don't they go down. It don't they go down because it don't overreact. People don't they quarrel with her. Now they don't face a no gay. Now they don't support a no gay. Now a no gay is not. It don't get the pride. When they never support her, like say they do. But when they don't support her, say because Mama Nora don't overreact. Now they come there against Mama Nora. Now they don't change the matter for Mama Nora. Now that time Mama no gay cause say no yazo. Because why? They don't they back her. They don't they help her. Fear social media at your own risk. Fear social media at your own risk. Oh, you think I not get word to talk? Or you think I not get word as I dey here so? Normal the way I think they do saga, I not get word. I get word, but na sense for marriage. Also do I go on your mogia. You know how many times they no get with Mama Nora don't quarrel. And no Mama Mozo one can do over Sabi, they will use the settle. In the boy be a Mozo. It will hand of a man in. You know how many times you sense. These 2 people now, they go see settle. But that settle where they settle. All this word when Mama Nora don't talk, you go feel cleaner come up for social media. That is the question. Now the matter where would they talk? I not be 2-faced so.